Hey guys, it's Mike. Here to show some gear that we're going to be using in 2022. We've already used these. These are our Kahtoola micro spikes. We just did a trip to Zion, and these were a game changer. The 12 stainless steel spikes. Each spike is 3.8 inches long. They weigh 13.5 ounces. But they are a game changer. We do have a knockoff brand, Amazon. Basically the same thing. A lot cheaper. The Kahtoola were 69 bucks when I bought them, and these were only 30. Didn't have any issues with these. All the spikes seem to be still good, still not bent or anything. We do have another set that not sure where they came from, but they're the spikes had bent. They still worked, but they bent. So we'll probably be replacing those. So this is what they look like on your hiking boots. Not hard to get on, they just stretch over your shoe. Didn't have any problems with them falling off. Hey guys, this is another piece of gear we'll be using car camping. It's the TripTips portable foldable toilet. It comes in this nice little storage bag. We have the walls of the toilet. We have the seat of the toilet. We have the top of the toilet, so you can use it as a stool or storage when you're in camp. So you take the walls, put the walls out, pick your little flat disc here, but it has a pull tab, so make sure you put the pull tab up. Push that down in there like that, which makes a nice little. And you take the seat, and you put that on. It's 11.5 inches tall, about 12.5 inches round, weighs about 2 pounds, and will hold up to like 230 pounds. Use let's see, 8-gallon kitchen trash bags to line the enclosure. Then you put the seat on. Now you have your little portable toilet. They suggest that you fill it up with either, not fill it up, but put cat litter or what they call pine pellets. And it helps absorb some of the moisture. Then you have your seat, so you can turn it into a stool when you're in camp. Don't know if you want to be sitting on it when it's full, but it can also be used as a storage container. You could be. That's the TripTips foldable toilet. And something else we're going to be using 2022 is our new butane gas stove we got from our Christmas party this year. Takes the standard butane canisters. I know a lot of you have already started using these. But this will be one of the stoves that we're using for car camping. Quick overnighters. this year. So guys, there will be a link in the description below for the gear that I had shown in this video. Stay safe and